In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Bookings for appointment scheduling. Whether you're running a busy salon, offering personal training sessions, or simply managing client meetings, Wix Bookings is a fantastic tool to streamline your appointment process, and I'm here to guide you through setting it up. Let's begin by adding bookings to your site. Navigate to your Wix dashboard, and from there, head over to the section labeled Booking Services. Or it might just say Bookings for some of you. If Bookings isn't already active on your site, now's the time to get it set up. You can even opt for a template that comes with Bookings pre-included, which makes the whole process even smoother. Once you have Bookings active, the next step is to create a new service that your clients can book, and in most cases, this will be an appointment. From within your Booking Services section, the one we visited earlier, find and click on the option that says Add New Service. Here, you'll have a choice between setting up an appointment or, if it fits your business model better, a class or course. For today's purpose, we're focusing on setting up an appointment. Now it's time to fill out the details for your service. This part is crucial as it defines what your customers will see and interact with. Start by entering a clear, engaging service name that accurately reflects what you're offering. Think about what will catch the eye of your potential clients while still being informative. Describe your appointment meticulously, ensuring your customers understand exactly what they're booking. This description is also a good opportunity to highlight any unique selling points that might set your service apart from others. Don't forget to specify the duration of each appointment. This helps both you and your clients in managing time effectively, so everyone knows what to expect. Specify the price for your service as well, as this transparency is key to maintaining clear and honest communication with your customers. Once you've added all the necessary details, move on to setting your availability. Think about the times you are open for business and enter these hours into the system. Make sure to input times when you're ready to take appointments. This is an important step in avoiding overbooking and ensuring you give your clients the best of your time and attention. Lastly, remember to add any team members who might be offering this service if it's not just you. This way, clients can choose who they'd like to book with, and services can be properly attributed to the right staff member, making your business operations smoother. And there you have it. You've just set up appointment scheduling with Wix Bookings. By following these steps, you're on your way to making your client interaction more efficient and professional. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your Wix site. Thanks for watching and happy booking!